So Gordon, we've heard lots about filters and what they are, but actually how does one actually work?
Well, the filter sheet has two sides to it. This is the rough side where the whisky goes through, the clear side where the whisky comes out again. And we will load up a frame like this. This is actually a very small version of the frame. We have larger ones through in our other filter hall, which are 60 centimetres square, and we can put up to 200 sheets in there. Yep. Now the sheets go in face to face, back to back, face to face, back to back, and there are two different frames in here. There's a blank frame where the whisky comes in through this pipe, through the hole in between the two filter sheets. Right. So that feeds in. We also have a frame that supports the filter sheet. So the filter sheet goes on top like this, and the whisky is forced in through this filter frame, through the mesh, yep, and it comes out a hole on this side, which is on the opposite side, and out this pipe. So you have whisky coming in one side of the filter, up through two filter sheets at the same time, out the other side, and back through the chill plant to warm it back up again.
Is there only just the one size of filter paper to use, or is there?
There are various grades of filter paper. We use the loosest sheet possible to try and keep in as much flavour. We use something called an NE45, which is the loosest one. You can go up to NE120s, which will really give you a very bright whisky. But the problem with that is they actually strip out a lot of the flavours. Now, we've spent 12 years putting the flavour in. The last thing we want to do is take it out at the last moment. So.
You mentioned to me a number of months ago different layers in here, and it's all like pipe work.
It is. It's like it isn't just like a sieve, where a sieve has a certain size of hole and it will catch just that size. This is what's called a depth filter. It's made of cellulose fibre. It's impregnated with crushed seashells, diatomite. And the whisky has a very, very tortuous path to go through that filter sheet to get to the other side. And it's that twists and turns and all these corners that are in there that actually grab hold of the material and strip out the haze-forming particles in it.
So if this is the loosest, the tightest would be more turns, more bends?
Yeah, probably smaller holes as well, so it's going to strip out more flavours, yeah.